We are going to meet with Leaf's Lauren Brown. Lauren is extremely knowledgeable in picking out the right tree. She assesses Leaf's community's planting sites to find out what is going to grow best in those conditions and enhance the urban forest.
Hey Kat, thanks for dropping by. Are you ready to pick the right tree for you?
I am, but what are all these trees here?
Well, these are trees that Leaf provides for homeowners. One of the things they'll have in common is that they're native to this area. There are many benefits to selecting a native species.
That's true. Earlier we learned about why selecting a native species for your yard provides numerous benefits.
Planting a variety of native trees, shrubs, and perennials maximizes these environmental benefits. Having a canopy with a diverse layered understory contributes to a healthy urban ecosystem and can provide a natural oasis for your family filled with flowers, fruits, birds, and butterflies. Other reasons to choose a native species is because they're hardier and require less watering and maintenance. Also, they've evolved over thousands of years in our climate and are adapted to our winter lows and summer highs.
So when you plant a native tree, you attract a variety of birds and butterflies, have a healthy, long-lived tree that requires less watering and won't rely on chemical fertilizers or pesticides in order to thrive. Sounds pretty good to me.
It is great, and we have a number of native trees that can meet anyone's needs. Once you've narrowed down the selection of trees that meet your conditions, then you can start considering what tree to select. One thing to look at is, do you have enough room for a large growing tree? If so, I suggest to plant one. If not, we have a number of smaller trees that'll do the trick.
Leaf's recommendations will indicate which trees are small, medium, and large growing, so you can choose the best tree suited for your yard.
After that, choice usually comes down to aesthetics, use, and diversity. You might want to take a look around your neighborhood. If it's filled with maples, you might want to consider a different tree. That way, you're positively contributing to the urban forest ecosystem.
And a diverse urban forest is able to support a variety of different wildlife, and as well as being resistant to different pests and diseases.
If you're looking for privacy or a windbreak, try an evergreen, such as a native spruce, pine, cedar, or hemlock. There are also many flowering trees, such as this eastern redbud, a small tree. Also, larger flowering trees, such as this tulip tree, with unique tulip-shaped leaves and beautiful flowers. If you're interested in planting an edible species in your yard, consider the native serviceberry. It produces a pink-purple berry, and it's delicious, although you'll have to beat the birds to them.
It's true, serviceberries are great for jam or pie filling.
If you're looking for something unique, consider the Kentucky coffee tree. Each leaf consists of a branch and many tiny leaflets. It also bears a bean pod in the fall that in hard times were brewed as a substitute for coffee. The hackberry has a unique ridged bark, and the basswood has heart-shaped leaves. Every native tree species has something great to offer. Think about what you want most in a tree, take a look at the tree profiles, and see what the recommended choice is for you.
Do I want something with a nice fall color, a showy flower, perhaps a unique conversation piece? Maybe a tree that will attract butterflies, or one that stays green all year round? I think I know what I want. Thanks, Lauren.
You're welcome.